how to add relationship on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application and Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen and settings and privacy. Scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the profile details. Okay, you can tap this and now scroll down and you can see below the relationship section. Okay, to add relationship, you can see here the add relationship button. Here you can tap this and now here in relationship you can see the button here. Okay, you can tap this and you can see the option. So for my example, I add married. Okay, we have successfully add married relationship. And also you can set into public, friend, only me or and this person, this relationship. And also you can search your partner here. And okay guys, this is an example only. And after that, tap this person to save. And also you can add a since here. Okay, you can tap the year button here and select the year. Okay, for my example, 2010 and tap okay button to save. And also you can set the month, you can tap the month. So for my example, March, tap okay to save. And the day is, this is a example only. So okay, after you set the day, you can tap okay button to save. And after you set the information of your relationship, okay, tap the save button below to save a relationship on your Facebook profile. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully add relationship on Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.